Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video, and today I'm going to show you how to send money using Cash App. Okay, so here we are on the Cash App home screen. This is the peer-to-peer payment screen. I have an entire overview video on how to use all of the sections in Cash App, so definitely check that out if you're interested in learning more. Also, if you sign up with the link in the description, you can get $5 for free. But Cash App is a very simple app to use to send money back and forth to people. Once you create an account, you'll have sort of a cash wallet here. You'll see my cash balance up at the top. And then you can link a debit card or your bank account or whatever and fund your Cash App balance. So once you have a linked account, you'll want to add some money to your Cash App balance. In order to do this, you can just click Add Cash and then type in the amount that you want and go through the process. It's very simple, and the best part about Cash App is there's no wait period to transfer funds. Like if I want to add $10 in cash right now, I can just tap Add, scan my fingerprint. It's done. Just like that, it was added to my balance. There's no 5-day waiting period or anything like that. You can just add it and it's good to go right away. So that's the first step. Link a debit card, credit card, bank account. Make sure you have money in your Cash App balance. Then we're going to go back to this home screen. So now all you need to do in order to send money to someone is to type in the amount that you want to send. I'm just going to send $1, and then you can tap Pay. The easiest way is to just get the person's cash tag, which is the username with the money sign in front of it. So I just did a tweet. First person to reply with their cash tag gets $1 for free. So I'm going to use this person's cash tag right here, Lonzo MC. Thank you for participating. Copy that, come over here into Cash App, and you want to type the Cash App with the money sign in front of it, just like that. You can add a note if you want. Free money, yay. Then you want to make sure you tap on the person below that. So there's going to be a list of people here below the note section. You just want to tap on that person. It's going to say, are you sure you want to send money to this person? They might not be in your contact list. Just hit confirm. It's going to put the check mark next to their name. It's going to highlight their name in the to section. Yeah, I can just send however much money I want. There's no fees, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and send $1 here to Lonzo MC. Tap pay in the top right corner. Scan my fingerprint. Just like that, you sent $1 to Alonzo, tap done. There it is, that's how you would do it. Like I showed, you can just send money to anyone with a cash tag, and in order to see your cash tag, just click your user icon in the top right corner. That's going to show your cash tag right there. So if someone wants to know your cash tag so they can send you money, just send them this right here and you should be good to go. Yeah, when someone sends you money, just make sure it shows up here in your Cash App balance and you should be good to go. Sometimes you will have to accept the payment. So there you have it, how to send money on Cash App. Essentially just type the amount, tap pay, and then go through the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.